We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam. I'm working with an HP Color LaserJet Pro M252. So first thing first, go ahead and pull your paper tray out. Right here are going to be your max level indicators. You never want to feel above that. Also, you have these guides right here. They can actually move. You want to make sure that they are in the correct place. You don't want it too tight or too loose because it'll cause the rollers issues picking up the paper. So what you want to do when you are adding new paper into your tray, you want to take the old paper out, put it with your new paper, go ahead and fan it out a little bit, and then align it together. If you don't, then say I put my new paper in and here's my old paper, it could cause a curl in the paper and that would make the rollers unable to pick it up. So you align it, stick it in there, and then you should be good to go. If you're still having jams, go ahead and give us a call. It may be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.